Hey guys, we're going to create some comic book pop art. You need these supplies in front of you. Colored construction paper if you have it. If not, blank white paper will do. Markers, Sharpies, crayons, colored pencils, a regular pencil, scissors, eraser, and newspaper or old worksheets if you have any. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start by creating our very own pop art word. Okay guys, we need one piece of white paper. We're going to fold this 8.5 by 11 in half and write our simple word. It can be your name or a simple word related to pop art. I'm going to choose the word pop. We want to write lightly, large, all caps, close together. Next, we are going to trace a force field around our letters. Mine are going to be sharp edges. Now, when I get close to this O, you have to decide, is the P going to go in front of the O or behind it? My P is going to go in front, so I'm going to trace over my O, back down, connecting at the bottom. You're going to want to go inside your P. Now, your O, you're going to start on the outside, tracing around. Now this O is going to go in front of that P, but behind this P. And then the O on the inside. Now this P, I'm actually going to modify my O. Now this P, we're going to start on the outside, behind the O. Come around, down, trying to keep the same distance around my force field. Then inside the P. Great. Now you're going to go ahead and erase inside your letters. Great. Now you have your word ready to color. I'm going to use markers. Now, pop art always starts with 3 basic colors. Primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. That's what I'm going to stick with, and a black. Don't forget, if you want to highlight, leave that space white. I'm going to create some crescent moons that look like highlights on my letter, reflecting the light. Pop art. So I'm going to color in my letters yellow. All right, next I'm going to add some Ben-Day dots inspired by old comics. All right, guys, I have finished adding my Ben-Day dots. I'm now going to grab either a black marker, crayon, pen, Sharpie, anything to outline my word. I prefer Sharpie, your choice. All right, I have now traced my word and any white reflection sections in black. Next, we are going to add thicker lines to the right side of our words to create 3D. Now we're going to go ahead and add thick shadow lines, like a drop shadow on the right side of our artwork. Okay, we are going to add some more dark lines around the edge of our word, creating that 3D pop art effect. My thick lines are going to go around the right outside edge of my words. The inside, if you have words that have inside shapes, it's going to go on the left. You're going to thicken that line. 1 or 2 marker thicknesses. Next, we're going to cut our word out. All right, now you can try cutting out the center, or you can just color it. If you have any black lines, white showing around your black, go ahead and get your black marker out again and cover the edges. Okay guys, now we have our word cut out. I'm going to think about my layer that's going to go behind it. I've chosen red. Now I have a red piece of construction paper, or if you don't have that, you can use a white piece and draw a pop starburst shape and color it in. Or use your colored construction paper to create your own shape. Okay guys, we are going to cut out our first background shape. This color is going to go behind our word. All right, we are going to flip this over. Check it out. Pop. That looks awesome. We're going to go ahead and move this up, and we're going to choose our last of our 3 primary colors, blue. Now we're going to create a different background, and then this is going to sit on top of the blue. Now I did almost like a spider web points, so I'm going to try something different on this pattern. Any type of different line choice is good for me. I'm going to go ahead and draw almost a cloud-like shape around the edge of my blue paper. Alright guys, now we are going to glue that on top of the blue. This looks amazing. Let me grab my glue stick and get it pieced together. Alright, and last, we are going to not just stop right here, we are going to glue this onto a piece of newspaper. Alright, now set your pop art piece in the center of your newspaper or worksheet. I'm going to choose this layout. Now I'm going to take crayon pencil and I'm going to just draw my big points coming out. All right, now we're going to go ahead and cut this out. And now we're going to glue our word to our newspaper. I'm going to go ahead and get my Sharpie or marker. I'll use marker for this time. And I want to go ahead and outline my layers. All right, guys, we have now finished our pop art artwork. Congratulations. Please upload it to either Focus or Teams. I hope you had fun and learned a little bit about Roy Lichtenstein and pop art.